Okay, it is given that express f of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 2 in terms of legendary polynomials. In the last video, we have obtained p4x is equal to 35 by 8 x raised to 4 minus 15 by 4x square plus 3 by 8, right? So it can be written in this form. 35 by 8 is common from all the terms, and I can simplify. So I will get 35 by 8 x raised to 4 minus 6 by 7 x square plus 3 by 35, right? Or it can be written as x raised to 4 is equal to 8 by 35 into p4x plus 6 by 7 times of x square, and this term becomes other side minus 3 by 35. Similarly, we have obtained p3x is equal to 1 by 2 times of 5x cube minus 3x. Now I want to express x to the power 3 in terms of the other terms, right? So x to the power 3 is equal to, I can take out 5 outside. So this can be written as 5 by 2 times of x cube minus 3 by 5 times of x, right? Or therefore x cube is equal to 2 by 5 times of p3x plus 3 by 5 times of x. Similarly, you can obtain x square is equal to 2 by 3 times of p2x plus 1 by 3. So f of x is equal to, it is given that x raised to 4. Now I want to substitute the value of x raised to 4 in this equation. So x raised to 4 is equal to 8 by 35 p4x plus 6 by 7x square minus 3 by 35. Other terms are plus 3x cube minus x square plus 5x minus 2, right? So now I want to simplify 8 by 35 p4x, right, plus 3 times of x cube, 6 by 7 x square minus x square. Simplify, I hope we'll get minus times of 1 by 7 x square, plus 5x and the constant minus 2 minus 3 by 35. Simplify, you'll get 73 by 35. Okay, so this is equal to 8 by 35 p4x, right, plus 3 times of x cube. What is the value of x cube? 2 by 5, x cube is equal to 2 by 5 p3x, right, plus 3 by 5 times of x, okay, minus 1 by 7 times of x square. So I know the value of x square. I can substitute 2 by 3 p2x plus 1 by 3, right, plus other terms. Other terms means 5 times of x minus 73 by 35. Okay, further I want to simplify 8 by 35 p4x. I want to multiply 3 into 6, 6 by 5 times of p3x minus p2x, right? So 1 into 2 divided by 21 p2x, right, plus 3 by 5 times of x, 5 times of x. Simplify 34 by 5 times of x minus 73 by 35 and 1 by 3 into 1 by 7. After simplification, so you'll get 224 divided by 105. Right? Okay. So now I want to substitute the value of x and 1. I want to write one more step. So this is equal to 8 by 35 p power x, 6 by 5 p3x minus 2 by 21 p2x plus 34 by 5. So x is equal to what? X is equal to, we have obtained in Legendre polynomial, x is equal to p1x 224 by 105 into 1. 1 means, so p0 x. So you can write down the reason. 1 is equal to p0 x and x is equal to p1x. So this is the required Legendre polynomial. Thank you.